Author Alarm presents OBD BLOCK, a module for protection of a diagnostic port against unauthorized access. Today, one of the most popular ways of car theft is the manipulation with the standard software, which allows the thief to register a key, disable the security system, and so on. To connect to electronic units, the thieves often use a standard diagnostic port, which is easily accessible directly from the inside of the car. The OBD BLOCK module will protect your car's port from unauthorized access. It consists of an individual adapter key, identical to the standard OBD port, and a two-channel relay, which is installed in the CAN bus of the diagnostic line. An individual digital key that uniquely identifies the owner is recorded in the device's memory. When connecting the adapter to the port, the electronic key and relay are checked. If the system detects the correct key, the diagnostic port communication line is restored. You can give the car to the maintenance. When the adapter is removed from the port, communication with the relay is lost and the diagnostic line is blocked. Any attempts of the thieves to gain access to the car's electronics will remain unsuccessful. The relay installation is to be made once and does not take much time. The relay itself does not show its presence in the car. If necessary, a relay allows the additional blocking with another digital line, for example, LIN bus. The OBD BLOCK system reliably protects against unauthorized access to the OBD diagnostic port. Use Author Alarm products and stay safe.